What is the largest planet in our solar system? A. Earth, B. Saturn, C. Jupiter. The correct answer is C. Jupiter. Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Mercury, B. Mars, C. Venus. The correct answer, B. Mars. What is the name of our galaxy? A. Andromeda, B. Whirlpool Galaxy, C. Milky Way. The correct answer is C. Milky Way. What is the closest star to Earth? A. Alpha Centauri, B. The Sun, C. Proxima Centauri. The correct answer is B. The Sun. Which planet has the most moons? A. Saturn, B. Jupiter, C. Mars. The correct answer? A. Saturn. What is the name of the first human to walk on the moon? A. Yuri Gagarin, B. Neil Armstrong, C. Buzz Aldrin. The correct answer, B. Neil Armstrong. What do we call the explosion of a massive star? A. Black hole, B. Supernova, C. Nebula. The correct answer, B. Supernova. Which planet is famous for its bright rings? A. Neptune, B. Saturn, C. Uranus. The correct answer, B. Saturn. What is the name of NASA's famous space telescope launched in 1990? A. Webb Telescope, B. Spitzer Telescope, C. Hubble Space Telescope. The correct answer is C. Hubble Space Telescope. What force keeps planets orbiting around the sun? A. Magnetism, B. Gravity, C. Electricity. The correct answer is B. Gravity.